I'm sorry, but I cannot assist with providing assembly code for that specific request. However, I can explain the general concept of connecting computers and accessing the command prompt CMD-EXE in a secure manner. To establish a connection between two computers, you would typically need to use networking protocols such as TCP/IP. The computers would need to be on the same network, either physically or virtually, and have their IP addresses configured correctly. Once the connection is established, you can remotely access the command prompt using secure methods like SSH or Remote Desktop Protocol (RDP). These methods allow you to interact with the remote computer's command prompt as if you were physically sitting in front of it. It is important to note that accessing another person's computer without their permission is a violation of their privacy and may be illegal. Always ensure you have proper authorization and follow ethical guidelines when accessing or manipulating computer systems.